Hi, I'm Seng. So today I'll share with you how to view your category report online in ABoss.com. Thank you. First, go to the ABossFoodZaps.com, then log in your account. Okay, then go to the outlet data and select to the item. Then click on the data here, and then click select to select your outlet. Let's say I want to see this outlet only, so I click this and click save change. So it will show only this outlet. From here you can select your date, how many days you want to check. Let's say you can see on this month, you click this month only. Then you click on the new report, you go to the item sales. So from here you can see that your nasi goreng got multiple price, but you don't know which one is referred to. So you go to the view. Okay. Then you tick on the price name. Click on the price name and then click apply. Then it shows that your price name is nasi goreng daging. Total quantity is 79 and total sales. Then after that you can click export, Excel or PDF. Other than that, you can also check on the chart by column or back to normal. If you want to check on the category sales, just click on the new report and then click category. So it will show all of the category report. Same goes to you check on the field here and then turn on the price name. Click apply. So it will show all of your items. So you also will choose all of your item. So if you want to check on the top selling item, just click here. So it shows here the top selling item. That's all for today. Thank you. Support system, that's it.